Want to know how to set up Amazon Alexa with your iPhone? After setting this up, you can control smart devices, play music, and more right from your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Amazon Alexa with your iPhone step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything, make sure to turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Now, grab your iPhone. First, open up the App Store, search Amazon Alexa, install Amazon Alexa, the app. Now, open the Amazon Alexa app, sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have any Amazon account, you can create an Amazon account from here using email or phone number. Now, make sure to plug in your Amazon device. After signing up for Amazon Alexa, allow all the permissions if at once. Tap on the More icon below. Now tap the plus icon from the top, then tap Device. Next, tap the Amazon Echo. After that, tap Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Pop. Now press the dot button on your Alexa device to turn the orange light on. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Once your device is set up, take some time to explore the app. Link music streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, etc. Connect smart home devices, set up routines, manage alarms and timers, and many more features. And that's all. This is how you can set up Amazon Alexa with your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.